If you want better safety, security, and peace of mind while driving, a good dash cam is one of the most important upgrades you can make in 2026. From 360-degree recording to AI-powered features and advanced night vision, modern dash cams are smarter and more powerful than ever. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. BOTSLAB 3K 4-channel dash cam. This is one of the most complete dashcam systems available, offering full coverage inside and outside your vehicle. This dashcam features a 4-channel system that records the front, rear, and interior, giving you a full 360-degree view. The 3K resolution ensures clear and detailed footage, which is crucial for identifying license plates and road details. In daily driving, the coverage is what really stands out. Whether you're driving, parked, or using your car for rideshare, having all angles recorded provides maximum protection. It includes built-in GPS, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for fast transfers, voice control, and 24/7 parking mode. The included 128 GB memory card is also a big advantage. Pros: full 360-degree recording, sharp 3K video quality, built-in GPS and fast Wi-Fi, voice control and parking mode, includes memory card. The best overall dashcam if you want complete coverage and advanced features. Number 2. Pelsee S12 Pro Mirror Dashcam. This model combines a dashcam with a smart rear-view mirror display. It records in 4K resolution at the front and 1080p at the rear, delivering very sharp video quality. The STARVIS 2 sensor significantly improves night recording performance. The mirror-style display is especially useful for reversing and parking, giving you a clear live view behind your car. It includes ADAS and blind spot detection, voice control, and high-speed Wi-Fi. The color night vision is one of its standout features. Pros: 4K front recording quality, excellent night vision, mirror display adds convenience, advanced safety features. A great option for users who want both a dashcam and a smart mirror system. Number 3. 70Mi 4K Dual Dashcam. This dashcam focuses on smart connectivity and remote access features. It captures 4K video in the front and 1080p in the rear. The HDR night vision ensures balanced footage even in low light conditions. The standout feature here is remote access. With 4G LTE support, you can check your car remotely, which is especially useful for parking security. Includes AI motion detection, Wi-Fi 6, GPS tracking, 24-hour parking mode, and voice control. Pros: 4K video quality, remote monitoring via LTE, AI motion detection, strong connectivity features. Best for users who want smart, connected features and remote access. Number 4. Vantrue N4S 3-channel dashcam. This model offers reliable triple-channel recording. Video quality is strong across all 3 cameras, and the STARVIS 2 sensor helps capture clear footage at night. Plate Pix technology improves license plate visibility. This is a great option for drivers who want front, rear, and interior coverage without needing a mirror-style display. It includes parking mode, GPS, Wi-Fi, and supports up to 1 terabyte of storage. Pros: triple-channel recording, excellent night performance, large storage support, reliable build quality. A dependable dashcam with strong all-around performance. Number 5. Vantrue N2X Dual Dashcam. This is a compact dual-camera system designed for front and interior recording. It records in up to 2.7K resolution with smooth 60 FPS performance. The IR night vision is particularly useful for capturing clear interior footage at night. This is especially useful for rideshare drivers or anyone who wants to monitor the inside of their vehicle. It includes 5G Wi-Fi, GPS tracking, voice control, parking mode, and supports up to 512 gigabytes of storage. Pros: strong interior recording quality, smooth 60 FPS video, compact and easy to install, good night vision. Best for users who need reliable interior recording. Here's a quick breakdown. Best overall, BOTSLAB 3K 4-channel. Best mirror cam, Pelsee S12 Pro. Best smart features, 70Mi 4K dual. Best triple channel, Vantrue N4S. Best for interior use, Vantrue N2X. Each of these dash cams is designed for different needs, so the best choice depends on whether you want full coverage, smart features, or a specific camera setup. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more reviews. Check the links in the description for the latest prices and more details. Thanks for watching.